The last topic that we are going to discuss is plot. Remember, the plot is the sequence of events that take place in a text. So we start with our exposition. This is where we're getting our background information, such as the setting and the characters. Remember that the setting is where the story takes place. Again, the setting is where the story takes place. Once again, the setting is where the story takes place. Remember that. Then we move on to our rising action. This is where our drama starts to unfold. We start to get a little bit of a problem. And then when we get up to our climax, this is the turning point. This is the point where the story is the most intense. This is where most of the action is happening. This is one of the most important parts of the story. So remember, the climax is the very top of your roller coaster. This is the point where we know all of the problem. We have the entire problem, and now we have to try and solve it. So our following action is where the characters are trying to solve their problem, and the resolution is where we get the full solution and the story comes to an end. So you want to remember that setting is where the story takes place, and the climax is the turning point of the story. It is where we have the complete problem, and it is the most intense part of the story.